สวัสดีค่ะ Hello everyone and welcome to IDEA R&D Center. My name is dulyarat and I am a coordinator for this IDEA Research and Development Center at Asian Institute of Technology or AIT. Today I'm going to talk about ion chromatography or IC. IC is an instrument used for chemical analysis for separating ions and polar molecules based on the affinity to the ion exchangers or the column. There are two types of the exchangers or the column. One is anion and another one is cation. For the anion exchange, it has cationic stationary phase. It will be used when the molecule of interest is negatively charged. So the pH of chromatography is always greater than the pH of the molecule of interest. Vice versa, for the cation exchange, it has anionic stationary phase. It will be used when the molecule of interest is positively charged. So the pH of chromatography is always less than the pH of the molecule of interest. The ion chromatography that we have at IDEA R&D Center is a prominence ion chromatography of Shimatsu LC20 series equipped with an all-line degasser, two solvent delivery pumps, an autosampler, a dual flow-line analysis system in a column oven, a suppressor, a conductivity detector, and a system controller for the communication with lab solution programs. The advantage of this IC Shimatsu LC20 series is the dual flow-line system, which is a simultaneous analysis system that equips two analysis flow line to a conductivity detector. In other words, we can equip both cation and anion column together in the column oven and do a single sample injection to measure both anion and cation at the same time. And since cation and anion analysis require different mobile phase, there are two delivery pumps for carrying two different mobile phase into the system. Furthermore, this IC Shimatsu LC series has a fan installed at the back of the column to provide a forced air circulation system, which is an ideal system for high accuracy thermal control within the oven. The result of the analysis from ion chromatography is called chromatogram. The chromatogram will have an absorbance on the y-axis and retention time on the x-axis. IC cannot identify unknown sample or compound. It can only be used to find an unknown concentration of a known sample or compound. For example, if you know that your target analyzed will be coming out at retention time at 2 minutes, but there is also another peak popping up at 4 minutes, you will not be able to identify the compound at 4 minutes. And that is all for now. Thank you. ขอบคุณค่ะ